Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Decode. Today we are going to see a medium level question. Triplet sum in an array. Okay, let's see what they are asking for. Given an array of size n and the integer x, find if there is a triplet in the array which sum up to the given integer x. Okay, what they're asking is they're given a set of list elements. We need to find if there is any three element in the list. Adding those three elements gives the value of x. We should return output of 1. If doesn't means we should return output of 0. There is the simple explanation of this question. Okay, let's see in this example. They are given an element of 6 element in a list. Okay, they want us to given check whether the three elements, adding any three elements in the list, it gives the answer of 13. Okay, in this example we can see 1 4 8 from the list, 1 4 and 8 from the list gives the output of 1. Okay, it was passed. And after that there is another example. If you are adding any three elements, 136 and 127 also gives the sum of 10, so we are giving an output of 1. But in this scenario they are expecting 24, but if we add any three element in this list we don't get 24, so we are getting 0. And they want us to complete this particular question in order of n square, and they want us to use the space in the order of 1. Okay guys, this is a simple question definition. Okay, let's see how I am going to solve this one. First of all, I need to sort this list. Okay, if I sort this means what will be the sorted is 1 4 first, and 6 comes, 8 10 and followed by 45. Okay, this is the order of sorted list. After that what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign a left and right element of this particular list, because whenever I'm getting a value which is equal to this sum, I'm going to exit the particular loop, or else I'm going to increase my left or right as per the corresponding situation. I will say you what I will do. I'm going to take a three elements in an order of I and left and right. Okay, I left and right. Okay, if whenever my value is equal to the x, I'm going to exit the loop. Okay, or else whenever my value greater than my sum of three numbers, at the time what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase or decrease my left or right element. For example, if by com combination of 1, the second element is 4 and the last element is, because L is second element, right is this element. Okay, 45. 4 1 plus 4 plus 45, which is greater than the current sum 13. At the time, if I need to reduce the right element, okay, now my right comes to this 10 value. Okay, likewise, if the value is lesser than x, I'm going to increase my left value. Okay guys, this is how I'm going to do that. Let's see. Maybe at this point of time we might not get a full clarification. I will explain in the code. Let me erase this. Okay. Okay, I'm using Python for this one. Array dot sort. After that, I'm going to create a loop which should be n minus 2, because we must sum of three number of elements should gives the x value. So that is the reason if we are in the of if we are in this place, we should not consider what are the elements after this, because at the time we are having only three element in the for loop. That is the reason we are using n minus 2. After that I'm going to assign a value for left equals to I plus 1. Whatever my I value, my left value should be plus 1. After that, right is equal to n minus 1, because in right we should consider the rightmost element. That's why we are getting n minus 1. After that, while left lesser than right. Whenever this condition fails, the while loop will exit. After it comes to again for loop, the iteration will continue. Likewise, I'm going to give a variable sumval which represents sum of these three numbers: array of I, my first element, and array of left plus array of right. Okay, if some value equals to x, I'm going to return the output as 1. If my sum value lesser than x means I need to increase the leftmost element, or else obviously if there is two condition fail means my x is my sum value is greater than the corresponding x, so I need to reduce the right element. Okay, got it. After that, all the values has been passed. I'm going to return 0, because if our condition fails means we need to return the value as 0. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, if my condition is met, I'm going to return 1, or else as per the given condition I'm going to plus the left value or else minus the right value. Okay, anyhow, some point left and right will meet each other, so this while loop gets collide. It will terminate it, again comes to for loop. Likewise, the iteration will continues unless until the particular given condition pass. Okay, I'm going to compile this. Okay, we are getting an error. Okay, there will be a 2 equals to while comparing the code. Okay, comparing the value. Okay, my compilation process was completed. Let me submit this. Okay guys, everything is perfect. Test case was passed, problem was completed. Okay guys, if you guys any doubt, I will give you this code for reference in GitHub. The link for the code is given in the description. Okay guys, bye bye.